In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add phone number to Steam account. If you want to make your Steam account more secure and keep your account information up to date, adding a phone number is a simple and useful step. Steam uses your phone number to help with account security and verification, so this process is worth taking a minute to complete. To begin, open Steam and go to your account details page. This is where you can manage important account settings, including personal information and security-related options. Take your time here and make sure you're signed into the correct Steam account before moving forward, especially if you use more than one account on the same device. Once you're on the account details page, look for the option that says Manage your phone number and select it. This will open the section where Steam lets you add, update, or manage the phone number connected to your account. If you don't see it right away, just scan the page carefully, since account settings can sometimes be grouped with other security options. Next, enter your phone number in the field provided. Make sure you type it carefully and double check the number before submitting it. It's important to use a phone number that you currently have access to, since Steam will send a verification code to that number. If you enter the wrong number, you won't be able to complete the setup properly. Also, be sure to select the correct country or region code if Steam asks for it, because that can affect whether the text message is delivered successfully. After entering your number, the final step is to verify it using the SMS code sent by Steam. Check your phone for the message, then type the code into the verification field on Steam. This confirms that the number belongs to you and links it to your account. If the text message doesn't arrive immediately, wait a short moment, make sure your phone has signal and can receive SMS messages. In some cases, it may take a little longer than expected. Once the code is accepted, your phone number will be successfully added to your Steam account. That's all it takes. Keeping your account details current can make it easier to recover access if you ever run into login issues later on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.